Citizens have been requesting to know how financial and material donations made by various organizations to help in the fight against COVID-19 are being used. For weeks now, various organizations and persons have made numerous contributions to the Ministry of Health, such as face masks, hand sanitizers, and money, to name a few, have been donated to the ministry. However, a call for accountability has been made, as the ministry has not outlined how the funds are being handled. Nicholas Piri of Zitukule Consortium had this to say during a show on Movie TV, Blunt Talk.
History to the issue of accountability in a crisis in this country.
Okay.
I'll just give you two examples, if I'm still within my time.
We're still within your time.
The first example is that we had a cholera outbreak in 2018, and donations were made. Do you know that up to date, as I'm talking to you, there are health staff that worked during that crisis who have not yet been paid?
Okay.
And those that were paid, a few of them that were paid, some of them, the money has been deducted from their payroll.
Okay.
And
so it's like, let me just stop there. So are you saying that the corolla incentive that was announced, that our frontline staff will receive an incentive, those that were credited with that money, later on the system came back and debited as if that money were an advance of sorts?
Precisely.
Okay. All right, continue. You still have a bit of time.
Then we had the city market inferno. The city market inferno, people donated. Up now, we don't know how that resource has been used, how much was accumulated, how much we have used. So when people talk about accountability, they have a history, and we fear that even the COVID-19 donations may end up the same way as the other two examples I've given.
However, a Patriotic Front media team member, James Matches, said the ministry is not holding back anyone who wishes to get information on how money and materials are being used.
That the ministry is not in the business. It's not in the business of telling you, no, so we want to have enough time to start telling you this item and itemize every item that has been received. Okay. Not at all. You see, we know that the Auditor General's office has been entrusted with a responsibility to update us as a nation on how we use our resources and whatever we have received, what has been planned for, donations and everything. And you can't tell me what is also in public domain. For instance, Trade Kings donated 28 million kwacha. That's in public domain. Jack Moore donated goods worth certain millions of dollars. That is in public domain. So there is no way, for instance, because you see, when you begin to try and divert the attention of the COVID to start making references to Soweto market, make references to the cholera issues, I think that those are their own issues. Because, for instance, if we have come here and we're talking about accountability over this particular issue of COVID-19 donations, we are focusing on donations that are around COVID-19. Yeah. So, first of all, let us begin to dissect every part of it. Number one, when these donations are received, who receives them? Okay? Where are they registered when they are received? He has access to the ministry. So, for me, what baffles me most of the times is this aspect of saying, no, this audit, real-time audit is secondary. First of all, you must tell us about the primary, because audit itself.
Would you allow me to stop the time itself?
It has been brought to light that face masks, hand sanitizers, and other materials are being made available strictly to frontliners first, as they are more at risk of contracting the virus than any other person. Messi Banda, reporting for Movie TV News in Lusaka.